Another crawfish hooking right in the tail. Sling him back out here. Right over there in that little eddy. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that one come off. Dang, that one took my crawfish. That was quick. I love them crawfish. All that's left on there is a tail. Get another. Alright, got me another one back on. Look, there he is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Another one, he's probably 11, 12 inches long. A little good eater. Out here in the creek, these fish are really clean. And really good eating. I love eating creek bass. Another crawfish. See if I can get another one out of this hole. That's number 3. I threw that little one back, but that's number 3 out of this hole. They loving them crawfish. I got a little bit bigger crawfish. Throw it over here in this eddy around these trees. See if I can get a little bit better bass. Just caught that little bitty bass. That was on a little bitty crawfish. Ooh, big hit. Got him. Got him. That was really quick. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh, and he come off in the boat. And the hook went in my hand. Alright. That's a nice little eater size bass. He's about 12 inches. Little spotted bass. I was on that bigger crawfish. I'll throw back out there and see if I can get another one. Alright, got another crawfish back on. Right there in that little eddy. Pretty much just dropping straight down. See if I can get another one. There's another bite. Got him. Oh, good one. Man, these things are stacked right here. Oh. Boat flip. Oh, another good one. Another big old spot. Look how little that hook is. Little bitty hook, little crawfish on drop shot. Another nice spotted bass. Same hole them other ones come out of, right behind these treetops. Alright, got another crawfish back on. Let's get right back down there. Just vertical fishing. Just drop straight down. Right in that little current break. Got him. Oh man, it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. That's a good spot for the creek. He's probably 13, 14 inches. That was a little bitty crawfish. He ate it right here behind us, behind all these trees. There's a little eddy right there. He come out of there. Another good eating fish. If you ain't never tried them, I would give them a try because they're good, clean eating fish. I love eating them. He's going on the stringer. Got him. Oh, jeez. That is a pretty good size spot. They just keep getting bigger out of this hole. That one's a good one. Look at the size of that one. Good spot on them crawfish. It's right here. Got all these logs. There's an eddy right here, and that's where these nice little spots are coming from. Good eaters. Get him on the stringer. Oh yeah, getting ready for that fish fry. Got him. Oh, it's another good one. Another good one. Yes, sir. Oh, just popped off in the boat. Calm down, calm down. Well, another nice 12, 13 inch spotted bass. On them crawfish. Stringer's starting to fill up now. Let's see what number that makes. It's number 5. Starting to get a stringer full. So I get my 10. Might try for some catfish or something. See what else I can get. Alright, dropping down behind this treetop right here in this current break. Let's see what happens. Got him. Good one. Good one. Oh. Man. Fight really hard in this current. Another keeper bass. And crawfish. That's number 9, I think. I got one more to go. Have to check it. 3, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, yeah, number 9. Got one more. That's my limit. I already know this. I'm gonna get so many bad comments off this one, but I love eating bass. Well, I don't care what they say. They're good eating. Alright, got a bite. Got him. It's gonna be big enough for the number 10. I think he'll make it. He almost made it. Almost come off. Good little spot. He's going on the stringer. That's number 10. That's gonna be my limit for today. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.